Start with standing at the top of your mat. Inhale with your arms up and exhale and come forward fold. Inhale halfway lift with the hands on your knee and exhale flat back to forward fold. Now bring your legs back and come to Chaturanga Dandasana and very slowly come to the floor for inhaling to Baby Cobra. And then exhale and bring your knees to Child's Pose. Now we will do this for some more time. Inhale to Cobra, exhale to Child's Pose. And again, inhale to Cobra and exhale to Child's Pose. And last time, inhale to Cobra and exhale to Child's Pose. Now we will inhale to Downward Facing Dog. We will try to walk our feet here. While inhaling, we will round our spine. We will round our spine to plank. We will hold here for a breath and then again inhale to Upward Facing Dog and exhale to Downward Facing Dog. We will do this rhythm for 4 more times. From Downward Facing Dog, roll down to plank, hold here and then inhale and come back to Upward Facing Dog and exhale to Downward Facing Dog. Plank, inhale Upward Facing Dog, exhale Downward Facing Dog. We are warming up our spine over here. Also we are warming up our full body. Roll, plank, inhale Upward Facing Dog, exhale Downward Facing Dog. Roll, plank, inhale Upward Facing Dog, exhale Downward Facing Dog. And last time, roll to plank, inhale Upward Facing Dog and exhale Downward Facing Dog. Now inhale and exhale in this position. Hold your breath, then slowly reach your right leg high and on the exhale, we will step for a low lunge. Inhale and raise those arms for high lunge and exhale and come to airplane lunge. Now inhale, high lunge and straighten your legs and go for a full airplane. And then without dropping your leg and balancing, we will come to stork pose. Inhale, step back to your high lunge and exhale, come back to low lunge. Come to the plank position, lower down and inhale for Upward Facing Dog and exhale to Downward Facing Dog. Now inhale, move that left leg high and exhale to low lunge. Inhale, arms above your head to a high lunge and then exhale to airplane lunge. Inhale, arms high and exhale to full airplane with your legs straight and exhale to stork pose. Make sure you are not dropping your legs in this position. Inhale and come back to low lunge. Exhale to plank. Hold here for 2 breaths. Inhale to Upward Facing Dog and exhale to Downward Facing Dog. Stay for a couple of breaths in this position. Now look forward and jump to your feet and then come to a seated posture. Then go for a high boat. Exhale to low boat. Inhale to high boat. Again, exhale low boat. Inhale high boat. Focus on your core over here. Make sure your stomach muscles are tight. Inhale high boat. Exhale low boat. One more time. Inhale high and exhale low. Last time, inhale high and then exhale low. Then lie down on your back and come to the bridge pose. Hold here for some seconds. Make sure your muscles are tight. Now release your legs down and come to the initial lying position. Now bring yourself to plow pose. You can also interlock your fingers. Hold here for 2 breaths and then exhale and release your legs straight. Now we will come to the shoulder stand or Sarbanga Asana. Slowly raise your legs with the support of your hands. Hold here for 2 breaths and come back to the original position. Now we will take our final posture or the Savasana. Relax with your hands and legs released. Make sure your palms are facing towards the ceiling. Take deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Let go of anything that is not of any use to you. Let go of the tension, the anxiety. Stay in this position for as long as you want to. Don't forget to thank yourself for taking out this time. Namaste.